I know I am not brilliant. Hi everyone, hi my friends, and this is Mock Artist Education, and Mock Artist Education will give you some new thoughts and idea how to develop your thinking power and how to change your thinking power. And today I will talk about brilliant, and many people have brilliant in our country. But today I will talk about brilliant and some of the question that keeping in my mind. I cannot understand why I am an uneducated person. I only read. I passed only 10th, and I don't service. I don't have much money. So my question is, I am an illiterate person, and illiterate person who is educated or who is called educated, and I will understand if you tell me. So how is education and educated measured? We all know how many people. We all know how many people our India has, and there are 135 crore people India has, and we know um, 40 crore people in America, and China has 150 crore people. So I always a question and that keep working in my mind. And India has many um, people, but 35 crore people. Everyone knows crore people in our country. We know there are 40 millions people has in America. In America, China has 150 crore people. First, I asked a question. I am not brilliant since India has some more brilliant in our country. So think we have many brilliance in India. Many more many brilliance in India. But why? Where are they? What are they doing? What are they doing? Billions of people in India, then America. Where are they and what do they do? And first, asked a question. I am not brilliant since India has more people, and then America. So think we have many brilliance in India. I believe there are more brilliant people in India. So then America. Where are they and what do they do? And India, 400 novels in America, and only 12 novels in India, and China has 70 novels, and in China. But why so few novels in our India? And I understood from the data, and there is definitely a difference of between our education and their education. Where is the difference and why are they lagging behind the inventing new things? So I will say we have to change our thinking, and we are always engaged in passive thinking. So I think that inventing something new is that possible is not possible without English speaking, and English speaking is very important for new inventing, because we spend our life learning English. Our education system is not good. Our education system is very poor. I think there is nothing to say. And I will say that every country has brilliance, more brilliance, and then America. But the intelligence of our people here stop at some point. What is the reason? And we have a lot of energy, and when we do something new and go to middle of the point, we some breakup. We do breakup, and some of point what is the reason, and I will tell you the reason for in the next video. I hope like this video, and you can think something new, and like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I will make some new videos, my next video soon. Tata and bye bye.